Okay, in this video, let's look at how to use how to run standalone Julia programs. So I type a Julia program in a file and I want to show you how to run it. Okay, so this is the blog and there are some inaccuracies here I need to correct. That I will do. So yeah, I'll also tell what are all the inaccuracies in the blog. Okay, so that's the thing. So first, like, what to do? Like, yeah, actually, two editors. Like, that's kind of okay. Yeah, there are two editors that's kind of my favorite. Like, one is really favorite. Yeah, one is Atom. Okay, so this was being done by GitHub. Actually, like, why Atom is my favorite was is my favorite is there is a thing called Sublime Text. Okay, so this kind of it was kind of somewhat like revolutionary text editor. It was very simple, but yeah, it was kind of revolutionary text editor. So and you can use it in any platform. Yeah, so this I was using, but this was kind of proprietary source, and this kept showing a dialog saying that okay, you need to pay, and all those stuff. But yeah, nonetheless, it allowed me to code. But then this thing came like GitHub people, like people who are in this GitHub community, they released the Atom text editor. So this was very similar to Sublime, but it was open source. That is free software, I hope. And free means it's not okay. If you want to learn about free software, please go to fsf.org. These people are making real computing live, right? So of course, there's politics in free software also. Like, but yeah, they are kind of people who try to make real computing live. Okay, so that's the thing, and also learn about this guy, Richard M. Stallman. Look, these are all not part of Julia, but I feel like every computer person must know this because, uh, like, he's great, like unimaginably great. Of course, there are some positive, negative comments and all those things, but yeah, I feel he's a great one. So that's the thing, right? Okay, so yeah, like they release it as a free software, and Sublime to me almost became obsolete, right? So this one is there, and another one is VS Code. VS Code is also hopefully free software, but there is one grudge I have against it. Like it might be prejudice or whatever it is. Like it's from Microsoft. Anything from Microsoft, I don't trust. Anything from Microsoft or Oracle, I don't trust. They actively try to kill free software, Linux, and all those stuff. So, very bad people. Still, I feel they are very bad. And despite all the statements saying that Microsoft love Linux, no, I don't buy it. The kind of thing they did, they did. Okay, so I would be happy if Microsoft perishes, right? So that's the thing. So yeah, there is a thing called this VS Code. This has been done by Microsoft, released as kind of free software, I think. Use it if you want, but the thing is, like, yeah, Atom is my favorite, but it doesn't mean that Atom will suit everybody, right? So that's how it is. Okay. So yeah, I got Atom installed, and I can run it from. I don't want to go in detail and all because this is not a text editor class or something like that. Okay, so that's the thing. And in Atom, like you can what to say, like you can put like you can go to preferences in Atom. Like there is a thing called preferences. Uh, File edit. I don't know where is preferences. Where is preferences? Yeah. So there's a thing called preferences. So like and what to say? If you go there and if you click on this install, you can install support for Julia. Okay, so let me see whether I've installed. Atom, run Julia source file. This Juno is very big. Like, okay, okay. This Ju. Juno. Okay, this Juno is a very big stuff. So I just want to install this thing. Okay, like so that like I get syntax highlighting in Julia in Atom. Okay, so that's the thing. Yeah, I'm just installing it. Meanwhile, I'll tell you how to write a program in Julia. Okay, right. I hope it gets installed. Okay, so I'm just putting a new file, right? And I'm just putting it like hello underscore world dot jl. Okay, some name, right? Actually, I kept the name as Julia and it did not syntax highlight. Okay, so that mistake I made over here. So yeah, this I'm just copying and pasting it. So that's it. Okay. Thankfully, yeah, it highlights now, right? So now how to run this? Okay, so I just put ls over here. Okay, yeah, this one. Yeah, there is hello world.jl. So you just do Julia. If you just put Julia and enter, it'll go to this thing, Julia prompt. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, so Julia hello world.jl, right? And that's it. So it just says hello world and all those stuff. There is another thing also I learned, which I just want to share. Right. So if you want to include one program in another, like if the program goes very big and you want to include one program in another and something like that, and so okay, let me put a new file called Hello Galaxy. Okay, so you need to wish hello to this galaxy, and you also need to wish hello to this world. Okay, so I'll put okay, println, okay, hello galaxy, right? And then println, I see a blue planet in it. Okay, so okay, right. And then over here, I just want to say hello world and all those stuff because the blue planet is world, right? So there is a thing called include that's been provided in Julia. So just try to do that, and I'll just put this is I'm just trying it the first time, so it might go wrong, it might work right, and all those stuff. Okay. So I'm just putting like include hello world. Hopefully, yeah, it works, right? So Julia hello galaxy.jl. Yeah, it seems to work. Okay, so hello galaxy, I see a blue planet in it. Hello world, let's see what miracles new field of data science can do. Yeah, so this is from this thing. Okay, so I just included it and it just executed. So possibly you can even split up your programs into many small programs. So that's how it is. So this is how you write programs in Julia and you just do it. And VS Code also has a plugin. And there is a thing called this Juno. I want to tell about this Juno, Julia client and all this stuff. Okay. Okay, so what this does is Juno Lab, come on. Okay, it's not over here. Julia Juno. I think you would have okay, some people would have seen like the spider in Python. Okay, yeah, this is what Juno does, okay, right? It just turns your editor into a powerful machine, like powerful data science machine, right? So just look what are all features it has. Like okay, you can autocomplete and I think yeah, like I think you can see your variables and functions over here. You can plot. Here is the Ripple, Julia Ripple, right inside your ID itself and documentation page. Okay, yeah. So I need to even look at Julia documentation and all this stuff. So that's the thing. Okay. And another thing like I didn't tell was where to get help for Julia in case like something is going wrong and all those things. So I'll show you that. Okay. Right. So there is this Julia Lang. Okay. And go to this thing called community. Right. Julia has a what to say discussion forum. Okay. So this is the place you can what to say get help. So this has been powered by a software called Discourse. I have an account, but yeah, you can create a new account and then create a new topic and all those stuff, and then ask your questions. So this is a kind of a forum, okay, like so where you ask questions, and there is also a chat, like, but I haven't used it. There is a Slack. I think if you are in a tech company, you might have used Slack. And this is what I prefer, like Zulip. Zulip is a Slack, but it's kind of open source. So this is what I would prefer. But yeah, like it all depends on your choice. Okay, so that's the thing. I would like to stick with open source, free software. Stay true to the what to say fact that sharing is caring, and make money from services, not make money from copyrights and all those stuff. So that's what I would like to do. But yeah, like yeah, I have released a book which is under copyright. So yeah, so I'm not pure also. But yeah, this is the place you can get help, right? So yeah, I'll try to include all these URLs and what to say stuff. Okay, so that like you can what to say do it on your own and all those things. Yeah. Any doubt? Yeah, you can ask this community, like this Julia community over here. You can even put my blog, you can even put my video and ask, look, this guy is saying like this and I don't get it and what to do. Possibly these guys will correct you. And unlike many communities, I don't want to say the programming languages where people have been banned over here. I don't think so, at least over here. But there is also another place called Reddit. Okay, so Reddit, it's there, and there is a Julia community in it. So okay, so okay, Julia, come on. Okay, yeah, there is Julia community in that. But I feel like okay, I don't know about the Reddit Julia community, but I feel like the Reddit community is kind of super emotional people, like very opinionated, super emotional people. Okay, so and so like suddenly you will get banned for reasons you might have even thought of and all those stuff. So be careful over here. So I would rather say like okay, it's better to go to this Julia Discourse forum and all those stuff. So that's the thing. So rather than this Reddit and all those things. So that's the thing. So this is where the Julia forum is, discourse forum. So yeah, that's what I would say. Like, but yeah, Reddit is also okay. But yeah, like sometimes I just feel people over there are a bit what to do. Yeah, so that's the thing. Okay. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching my video. So yeah, I'll just try to put all these links and what to say. That's it from me. Thank you.